How's it going, guys? It's Kitty here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are playing Wolf Quest. And I just got it, but I not going to be changing the series because in order to have a series, I would want to actually have it continue, as in like pups and things like that. And you cannot do that if you don't buy full games. Okay. Yeah, and we're going to be playing single player. So let's start from the beginning. No, female. Well, females are smaller than me, but I do want to be a girl. I guess I get to pick my coat. That is adorable, though. I like that one. I like the black one the most. Yeah, I like the black one. And then abilities. Super duper strong. Super duper fast. Can I like it? Super duper. Oh, that's my stamina. I don't have a lot of speed. Okay, down my strength a bit. I'll put this down a little bit more. Okay, let's strengthen onto this. Okay, there we go. Pretty good, you know, Howl type. I like that one. Really loud one. I like the first one. I like the first. Okay. Name. I'm gonna name it Petal. No, it's a really pretty name for a wolf. And she's a girl. Oh, body. Normal. Okay, we can only do normal, so. Alright, well. This is our wolf. Let's continue. I think Petal is gonna be beautiful. And she's gonna make a beautiful man. I'm really tired. Not real well. Begin quest. Okay, scent view, movements. Okay. When food is available, easy when food is served. Hard time, how hard you want your life to be. Okay, challenging or just bring it on. I'm gonna do pretty easy. There's no like normal, so I'm just gonna do pretty easy because I suck at games like this. There's a bug. Okay, well, there's food right there. I can see it. How do I attack? I can smell it. No, it's running. Female elk. 1 minute ago. Chase it. Chase the scent. Chase it. I don't know how to get it. I don't know how to get it. How do I? Press the bite button, which will appear on the lower right. Oh, when you're close enough. Okay. I'm almost there. I'm almost close enough. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I am so close enough to bite it. It is lying. Bite. No, you ain't going nowhere. Help. Did it attack me back? Excuse me? It is dead. I'm gonna eat it. Elk herds. Ooh. I'm gonna enjoy eating you. Eat it. Oh, I'm full, that's why. I didn't even notice that. There's another wolf. Oh, this well's in this, that smells in the air. But I need to go to see that wolf. I'm gonna get myself a man. Or maybe it's a girl, but hopefully it's a man. If it's a girl, I want to become friends with it. I don't see any scents anywhere. Except for that elk, not elf. Wouldn't it be funny if another wolf tried to eat that elf after he did? That's a coyote, that is not a wolf. Okay, how do I know if it's a wolf or a coyote? Keep going this way. It's actually how their brains work. Like, they can smell something and they know what it is. Like, if it's a threat, a mate, or, like, food. So that'd be really cool. If humans could do that, like, they could just, like, sense who it is. Why is it auto-saving? I don't like that. Wolf territory. You've entered another wolf pack. There's a strange wolf around here somewhere. Use your scent to feed nose button. Locate scent right in the square of the wolf. If you dare. You are looking for the mate of the opposite sex, but you'll have to meet a lot of wolves before you find one. To hide. Okay, yeah, okay. It's kind of scary, guys. I'm looking around. What's that scent? Is it my own scent? I can still smell that elk. Holy God. I can smell a wolf up here. I can smell it. Might be a coyote though. Why would a coyote be in wolf territory? I'm gonna go up this hill right now because I don't like being down here. Alright. Is the green my hunger? I'm pretty sure it is. How to rest and sleep. Sit down, press the first button on the right, tap the button down, looking at stand faster another time, press. Okay. Oh God, there's a bear. Okay. Sleep until dawn. It's actually a game. Until dawn. Wakey. Wakey. That is so cute. I just realized spend time in a different water. I don't need water. Really? I only need food? Wait, what's that? Something coming my way. Was that just grass? Oh, pff. I thought it was something coming my way. I'm not that hungry. I don't want to eat the poor little bunny. I'm only going to eat when I absolutely have to. And if I turn around, am I going to go smell the bunny? Wait, no, I think that's my elk from earlier. Oh, maybe that is the bunny. No, I think that's my elk from earlier. I can smell it everywhere I go. Nothing on your smell. Can't find any wolves. I'm gonna go to these. It always auto-saves whenever it says I need a wolf though. Like, 'cause I did that when I went into the wolf territory and said there's a strange wolf around here. Wait, there's a wolf over there chasing an elk. And here ducks. Or loons or whatever they are. My goodness. How far away is this freaking wolf? I think the lighter it is, the closer it is. I think that's what it is. So I think I'm getting pretty close. We're going southeast. There's a lot of birds. Is that dead? Shoo, crows, shoo. Oh, fright, it's just a dead body. Do you have any? Yeah, I can still eat it. I'm full. That's my second move now. The wolf is still this way though. It's very fun actually. Maybe I will turn it into a series. We'll just see how long this video is so far. 11 minutes, because it ends soon, but not yet. Okay, it's right there. Gotta get to the wolf. This way. I can feel it. I can also see it on the map. Wolf territory. That's what it means. It just means that I'm in a wolf territory. So I want to actually find a wolf. I'm just gonna go towards the scent. There's a scent. Yes. I'm scared though. What is it gonna be? Because before, oh, it's just a coyote. Wait, the green was a coyote. What's this yellow? There's more than one. Two. There's three. Territory marker. Oh, this is just the territory. Okay. Oh. That was a male. There's something moving over here. Something running. It's alive, that's for sure. If it's not, I'm getting very confused. Oh, frick, there's a coyote. I'm not after you, coyote. I'm trying to find wolves. There literally is none. Sniff around. Something over there, but that's a dead animal. Dead elk. Ow. Oh, some dead thing. Gross. What is that? Oh god, it's like a freaking... What is that? Okay, I don't think it's a threat. It's a cougar! Okay, yeah, I don't think the cougar is a threat to me. I don't think it wants to hurt me. I don't think the cougar really has anything against me. How come I'm finding every animal except for wolves? animals. I even saw a bear earlier. Okay, wait. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. See you in the next video. Bye.